In this tutorial, we will discover the new attributes and filter introduced with Planisy Insights. On the right, you have the resource editor, and on the left, the resource planner. In the resource editor, we have created a new type named all attribute that will allow us to discover all those new attributes. You can find the list of attributes here, ranging from image URL down to user. The first one is image, and it allows you to upload an image to the item. Let's take an example. By clicking on this button, I can either select a file or directly enter the URL if I have it, then press done and save. As a rule, the image always appears on top. If there are two images, then the subsequent images will appear where you have positioned the attribute. The second attribute is a number, which is an integer. Third attribute is a drop-down, and for each drop-down you have to select minimum of 2 options or more. The options appear here, and you just select the option you want. The attribute text is already well known to you, and attribute date and time allows to select a date and a time. Just click outside the calendar to validate your choice. Attribute heading is, in fact, looks like a text, but then in larger, bold. Attribute color allows you to select, attribute color allows you to select a color and save. If you want that the resource gets that color you have selected as default, then here you need to select in background color. The background color we have chosen here is white, but you can dynamically select, if you select that attribute color, then the color selected will become the color of your item. Attribute document allows you to upload a document. Again, either you enter the URL if it's online, or if it's on your disk, just choose the document and save. Once done, you can open the document from here, and it will open here. Attribute multi-line allows to enter, is similar to text, but allows to enter multiple line 1, then shift enter, line 2, shift enter, line 3. Attribute URL allows you to directly go to your favorite website. Just clicking here and open your website. The email attribute allows to enter attribute format of email format. And clicking here, I won't do it, will open your email tool. Attribute phone number allows to enter phone numbers, which again can be opened directly. Attribute decimal is similar to number, but allows to have decimals, like 12.34. Attribute date is similar to the date and time. It's just you have only here the date. The previous one, you have the date and the time. Checkbox is a simple box that you either select or unselect. Here it's selected. Multiple selection is again a type of drop down where you can select multiple drop downs. In our case, can select option 1 and 3 and save. The attribute radio buttons, here again you enter multiple options and then select one of them. The checkbox is similar to the radio option, but you can select multiple options. In that case, I have selected 2. The attribute slider, as we see here, is a slider. You can define the minimum and maximum value, and then here select a value for the slider. We will not use the attribute user now. The attribute user is used, for example, for the notification. We will come back to this in a different tutorial. That attribute was just added later and is not useful. Now that we have entered this item, let's discover the filter with more options. By default, the filter works as you know it. For example, let's take the simplest. If you want to search for a text, just tap part of the text and if the attribute text contains the text, it is filtered. There are more options that have been added. You can also decide to completely avoid that attribute to be filtered, and you enter is anything, which means no filtering will be done based on this attribute. Or you can want to have exactly a text. In the previous example, if I entered A, it was filtered because it contains here. Here, it will only filter it if I enter the exact name or the exact value that is in the field, or vice versa. I would need to enter second example. Oh, here I have excluded everything that is not name. Contains, we've seen it. Start with allows you to filter all text starting with NA. and vice versa. All text ending with ME or ME2, and then I have them too. The other selection boxes have also been adapted to the new attribute. For example, a date can be, you can select a starting date or an end date, but you can also decide to have to exclude to find a precise date and time, or exclude the precise date and time, or anything that starts before a date or after a date. And then you have, as by default, we've seen that, a range of date, before a date, after a date, or in between. Not between is the exact opposite, is that you exclude all dates starting from the first to the last. We will not go through in this tutorial for the last two options with any of the displayed uh, filtering options. Number is similar to date. You can either have a number range or avoid. Extract, then only smaller than a number or larger than a number, or exclude the range. Anything that is between 12 and 20 is excluded. You can also say, for the document, you might want to select all items that have a document or doesn't have a document. The same is now similar for all kind of filtering options. Let's maybe review a couple of them. Is exactly allows you to find exactly a phone number. Sorry, I was at the wrong position. Oops, I understand what was wrong. So let's go back. Is exactly. Now you select exactly your phone number. The same for emails and the same for all others. Decimal is similar to number, date is similar to date and time. Checkbox can be yes or no. Multi-selection, here you will decide if it has option 1 or option 2 or option 3, and you can deselect. The same for radio buttons, if it has option 1, all radio buttons, or option 2. Or anything, which is the equivalent as is anything with no selection. Same for the checkbox, you can decide option 1 or 2 or both. And decide the range for the slider. The range applies is the same as the number. You can also have all sliders that are lower than 5 or higher than 2 or 3 or anything. Thank you.